Today, the Narpuh Circle Giant Hills, under the leadership of Sambhala Mare as the General Secretary HYC, opposed the public hearing of the Star Cement that was notified by the administrative to be held on 21st November 2020 at the DC office premises. According to the agreement of the cement plan, it was agreed that 60% job reservation should be for the locals. But as of now, it was observed that only menial jobs were given to the locals, whereas the highest post in the plant was given preference to people outside the state, even though there are youth who are qualified enough for the jobs. Lamara further said that during this time of pandemic, the cement plant that is in the state donated a huge amount to the other states, whereas no help or assistance was given to the people in the state. It seems as if the cement plant is not even in the state. He reiterated that the government would remain steadfast in the support to the public by holding the public hearing in Bri Shyrnod as scheduled earlier and not in the DC office premise.
Notification ban pelong ke public hearing jong Star Cement hak arpoi terik jong mentau benai no bombar tenang liang jong seng hak last week landep ban pak kopi go show DC jong Essential District take ke bangi sau pala nak liang jong seng yeng be nong rem daduk bangi daduk bala sedang gane hearing ni persyak ban adu mentaru kajing persyak jong hi kelong ba kapaneng kong kelong ba ni kam konsen habai de bat kajai ban riu kelong bangi i ba hakaliang tunggang tungjam daduk mensuangi la pha ai ki bru lajong banginya kren stai ki cement plan barok unde dang Star Cement ru kalong baga first agreement la dangam bakla gade ki ji kod juki ban tungkam 20% ni ki bru jungi ki trai muruk Henry ke bosmo si kalong menta la dangi leun nak por sekupor kim po tiao shu ya kejai ban riu jungi Henry ki batri hang te gilong tangki chokidar la ne ki security guard ki de ki bru jungi Henry ki wi ki pos ki lawan rai ki bru ki nabar tenang liang jong keseng ngi persyak jur ya kene ke kam golong ba namar bang yoi begini ki bruk kim khen snap andre ngim bong se ban yang persyak rat ba ya kene ke bentala dangi pai namar ki babun ki samla jongi ki blak pendap ki jing pule boper ki la pendap ki diploma boper ande nda ki wan sini klem kam klem jam la shu pendap da ki wei pat ki jai pen riu baga ba kham sngo si shu golong ba hape dei bat ka jing long jong ki Star Cement kalong ba kham tam ha kene ke pandemic COVID-19 bala dep ngi ba ki the jing ram ta ki phaulak se ki woi pat ki state jung kri India Henry ke bos ngulung kolong po ke jela jung ngi sau hatong ila byang se ngi de ke jela ke baduk ke badang don kam sipun ki jing ram khamtam ke company ke badon po ke jaka jungi kadai ban consent ya ki breu jungi kat kan ke jing crisis la ne ke jing kerdu kam do jam ha tu ko por le ke jing crisis abe de ke bam ke di mar ki breu kemyo ban le tre le ta ba nang ta kolong ba ngi ba kene ke kapan jauh umat ane kapan dap ramah ke jingmut jing berkat jungi kum ginong ilam seng bhalang mat ke benta ke bang ku ban ong kham tam ke district council ha ke tu por ke district council jungi ka ba la ban ong bagade maka ke tenrai lane ka babat ke kendeu ke siap Henry watang khendiat ru kino ki donation ngim he ki newspaper ha ke tu ke pandemic tan Henry kat sabar pan ngi kene ke long ke magini ki kini ki breu jong kini ki cement plan ki roi lane ki khen deu thalai ke jai ban reu jong te de lor kani ngum rim ngi kerpan jur ya ga district administrative opo Giant Hill district ka jimut jung public hearing kalong ban pensing upai ba ha ga jaka bati ya utu umar om ban pensing upai ba apo DC office nagaliang jong keseng kumbangi la rai duduk menchwa ngini yang be ha ga nong rim ke boskem bat nginom ailat hiro lada ki lek da kebor nging bong se ban lek da kebor tengah ong kum ne DC badon burom lane kinong mi khmat jungi badon burom snow ba wat num kedia jubor lane wat num pen thangding lane pen hit klumare ki kun samla namar ba lada pe pinsit ki kun samla yo le se ki kun samla ki bakla lanti kajing ba klik gede ki jong pe nang liang jong seng kita na kaliang jong ong ba ngi nang liang jong i ladep ai ka clearance certificate bagi penlek ke kam hak jo ko por ban bu ke tarik bat ka jaka public hearing ke de ke kam jongka DC office district administrative
kalau yang forward ya ke ba ngi wan bu pensmo unsara sya ke ministry hak bedai bat kenika jing persya nak liang jong ki beliau jong ka than jong hapo napo bat nak liang jongi ke bangi persya kalau kajuk ke por ketu ke jaka pembakapa mata bawat ketuka wak luka kelak kelarong la bunsi ngi la penpau ki press ki media bat bunsi ni ki paiba kelas sakhi dal ki jong ki khmat ki bri usang sudu kathan bat wat ketuka sanctuary wildlife sanctuary ke badon hapo narpo kan sesyak ta dak ni ke jing penyar ya kan ni kerkom ti mau shun jong ni ke cement factory tina tak dau ngi persyak jur bat ki paiba hina ketuka than ki persyak jur bat kim kwa hiru ba kau pateng juki dak se hakoi ke po Sisian kesni kan poi ka por ba watang ka om bakin di kamlong syo. Bat kal air bakin ring musim kamlong syo dak jing ta jong kini kijing ti kini mausun dak jing wan ra yaki tiar ban ti ba fer. Kata de ka wei ka dau ba nim kwa bat nim ailat hiru bakin nang pinyar syo.